Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Force Tech Reviews doing another video today. And today's video, yes, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks that you can use with your Sony Xperia XA2 Ultra. And then also some things I recommend that you should do once you get your phone. But before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, yes, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks and some things I highly recommend that you do once you get your Xperia XA2 Ultra or even your Xperia XA, because the settings look like they're pretty much the same on both phones. Again, if you agree or disagree with me with these tips and tricks or even suggestions, let me know in the comments. If I miss anything that you have the phone already, that you see that, I didn't mention in this video. Again, let me know in the comments. We can grow together as, one big happy family. But the first thing that I would recommend is changing the display settings. And it's quite easy to do. Just go to settings, change the display. You can actually change the quality right there. The color gamut, you can do standard mode, or you can actually do super vivid mode. I'm going to leave it on super vivid. That's the way I like to rock and roll. The second thing, or the thing I would recommend, is removing the bloatware. Most of us do that anyway, but it does have some bloatware. Let me go into settings again, go into apps. I'm going to show you two that I already disabled because it was getting on my nerves. And I couldn't wait to do this video. But the first one is the Amazon Kindle. The second one that I disabled already is the AVG protection. So, again, if you want to disable them, great. If you don't, hey, that's up to you. It's your phone. There's a couple other ones that I want to mention that you can actually uninstall. Let's take a look really quick. Alright, so this news right here, you can uninstall it. I don't need that on there. Bam, it's removed. The movie creator, you really can't do anything with. See that movie creator, you can't do anything with. The Xperia Lounge, I don't like it, so I'm going to disable it too. And what it does is actually removes it from the apps drawer. So if you don't like that one, you can disable it too. And here's some more. They have phone. There was one more. The Sketch, I'm going to uninstall that too. I don't need no Sketch. Alright, let's see. Support, you can keep on there. Video you want to keep. Weather, you can't really do anything with the weather. So that's all the bloatware that I've seen. So if you want to, again, these are my tips and tricks. If you want to remove it, you can definitely do that. Also, what you want to do is set up your home page. And what I mean by that, there's a couple things. See, there's an app drawer. I mean, it's cool, but I'm going to actually show y'all how to take that off. You can go here, you long press, go to your settings, and then it gives you a bunch of different things that you can do and remove, and just lets you customize your phone. So right now, I actually have the Google feed here. You can see it. I don't really need it there. I have the app for it. So you go back to settings. You can actually remove it or turn it off. Bam, there's off. It's not there no more. Watch. See? Only my normal screens. Also, app recommendations. Again, if you bring up your apps, it has the app recommendations that you can actually, it gives you some apps. If you want to remove that too, you go back here, and then you can turn that off. Icon size, I recommend too. I mean, you can change it to large or small. I have mine on small because it takes up too much. There's one other thing that was really aggravating me, and I fixed it on here too. You can, let's see. Oh, if you want to remove the app drawer, like, I like swiping up, so this one actually has a feature like Nova Launcher and rest of them. You can actually hide the app icon. So bam, you do that, and now what you can do is just swipe up. It brings up all your apps. That's a cool feature, cool tip to know. I had to figure that one out. The other one, this was really bugging me yesterday. When you want to add your apps to your home pages or anywhere else. So if you swipe up, now if I want to add this app here, I have to swipe it up and it goes up. That's kind of aggravating to me. So what you can do is go to settings again. You can actually quick add icons. You click that on there, and what that will allow you to do, so you swipe up, say I want my target on here, bam, it's there. You don't have to worry about going all the way to the top. It's just there. If you want to remove it, hold it down and remove it from your home screen. So again, bam, let's see, Antutu is there. I'm gonna leave that on because I just took it off just to show y'all, you know, what you can do. The next thing that I recommend doing is changing your transitions. I have it on windmill, but you can do flow, or you can do concave, convex, but I like the windmill. That's pretty cool. It's already applied, so it won't let me. Look at that. Bam. You know, check that out again. Alright, so let's see what else we can have in here. So you can actually, one other thing that I recommend doing if you want to change your app icons, you can change them here too, which is pretty cool. It's almost like Nova Launcher on your phone without even having Nova Launcher. So that's that's number 3. Setting up your home page and also doing the quick access to your your icons, and also removing Google Feed. Number 4, what I'm gonna do now is something I tested earlier. I did some front camera action. I actually just took some pictures, and people was like, man, these pictures look like crap. So you want to make sure you turn off. Let me go here. You flip it around, you're going to see my ugly face and my lights and my ugly fan up there. But let's see. So you go to settings really quick, and you want to make sure you turn off that soft skin effect. I had it on earlier, and people said that it looked like the pictures looked like crap. So I took that off, I redid it, and it actually looked pretty good. Shout out to Big Dog for letting me know how it looked. He will tell you his true opinion. So shout out to Big Dog for letting me know that it looks like that. And also shout out to Night Tech. He's the one who said, hey, you look like you have beauty mode on. So I went back in there, looked around, and was able to change that. So that's another thing you want to make sure you turn that off. You don't need that on there. Makes the pictures look really like grainy, and it wasn't a beautiful thing. So the next thing that I want to show y'all is the lock screen. You can actually have 2 different things that happens. Bam, you see Forbes Tech Reviews, and then also the clock. Actually, I guess this could be 2 into 1 type of thing here. So you can go to lock screen. Bam, there you go. If you go down to clocks, it shows you the different ones that you have. You can do your Sony clock, your digital clock. Let's see, digital clock here. Bam, lock it. There's your lock screen. That one looks okay too. Let's see. Let's go back. Lock screen. I'm gonna keep it on. I like this Sony clock one. Then the next thing is if you want to change your message at the bottom, you can change your message on the lock screen too. So you go here. Let's go back. Let me show that. I can show y'all again. So it's on lock screen preference. You can go to lock screen message. Let's see. Bam. I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna turn this lower. Make it a little bit better. Alright, so you can change it to anything that you want to. Forbes Tech Reviews. My other famous words are, after my lovely wife, Angela's Army. Bam. There you go. So you can lock it, and there's your message, Angela's on me. I didn't put Angela's, but that's actually pretty cool. You can change the clock. Again, more tips and tricks to customize your phone once you get it. It's up to you if you want to follow all these. Let's see, one other thing. Oh, the most important thing, and probably the last thing that I have as far as a tip and trick, or some things that you should do once you get your phone. I don't like SwiftKey that much. I'd rather Gboard. So it comes with SwiftKey installed. If you want to change that too, you can go down there, language and systems. Bam, there you go. Let's see, we can go to, you can actually go to languages and inputs, your keyboard. If you go to manage keyboards, So you could turn on SwiftKey if you wanted to. I actually just turned on Gboard. I like it better than SwiftKey, but it's up to you which one you like. It's your phone. You can, you can do whatever you want, but I recommend Gboard to anybody. It doesn't let you be great sometimes, but it's okay. It's pretty good. The other recommendation, the last thing that I have that you might that you want to do too, is for the sound. It's actually for the speakers. I haven't dropped that video yet, but I did a speaker comparison, and you want to make sure that you have your sound settings up correctly too. So let's go here. Alright, so what you want to do is audio settings. You want to make sure you have the Clear Audio Plus optimized sound settings on. It comes actually with your phone. It comes off, so you can actually do your own sound effects, or you can do the normalizer down there. But I highly recommend the Clear Audio Plus to get the best sounds. Alright, so that was pretty much the video. Gave you some tips and tricks, some things I highly recommend doing when you get your XA2 Ultra or even your XA, because the settings should be pretty much the same. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please make sure you do so. Also that bell notification, so that way when I drop a new video regarding these Xperia XA2 Ultra, you can definitely get notified. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.